Hi, my name is Haziq bin Haris Fazilah from class S310. Today, I'm gonna explain something that people often heard, that is about simple harmonic motion. What exactly is meant by simple harmonic motion? So, simple harmonic motion is a special type of periodic oscillatory motion where an object moves back and forth around a central equilibrium point. The acceleration is directly proportional to the displacement from this center and act in the opposite direction. If you still didn't get the meaning of it, I will build a model that is simple pendulum that can explain this thing in more detail. Let's go! And here it is, a simple pendulum model that I create to show how simple harmonic motion works. Alright, I will explain how this model can produce simple harmonic motion. First of all, the water bottle in the middle with pencil eraser in it will act as pendulum. So, when I pull the pendulum from left, then I release it, the pendulum will move to the right and produce maximum displacement on the left side. When it reaches the maximum displacement, it will produce force and acceleration on the opposite direction. Now, I will find time taken for pendulum to complete 10 oscillation and find the period and frequency. And we get 8.6 seconds for the pendulum to complete 10 oscillation. From the result that we get, we can calculate the period using formula time over oscillation. Then we substitute the time we get, that is 8.6 seconds, and divide with the oscillation, that is 10. Then we get 0.86 seconds for period. From the period that we get, we can also find the value of frequency by using formula 1 over period. And we get 1.16 Hz for frequency. Now, let's move to the second part. I attach two threads with different length, and I will find the period for both threads. Let's do with the shortest one. Any length, 20 cm. This time, we take time taken for pendulum to complete 5 oscillations. And it takes 4.4 seconds to complete 5 oscillations. And now, we change the thread to the longest one, that is 30 cm, and still take time for 5 oscillations. And it takes 4.83 seconds to complete 5 oscillations. From the data that we get, we can find the period for the both different threads. And we get 0.88 seconds for 0.2 meter and 0.97 seconds for 0.3 meter. From here, we can state that period is directly proportional to the length of the thread. From period that we calculate, we also can find gravitational acceleration using formula 4 pi square length over period square. Before we substitute the value, we need to convert length unit from centimeter to meter. Then calculate and get 10.2 meter per second for 0.2 meter thread, and 12.59 meter per second for 0.3 meter thread. We move to part 3. I'm gonna show you how can simple harmonic motion graph result. And here we got our graph. As we can see, we can tell that from equilibrium point to crest, we name it as amplitude. While from crest to crest, we name it as wavelength. I think that's all for now. I hope this explanation can help you understand what simple harmonic motion is. Hope you enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.